Here's a Judge Dredd that I've wired up some coin buttons, and I'm gonna put the coin buttons back where they should go. Okay, I'm hoping that all this goes right together here. And this should go on here. Yeah.
I didn't see that little thing to mount it, so sorry about that, or I would have told you. Yeah, that's the right one.
Uh-huh. All right. That's tight. Let's put another screw in here. All right, I like that. And now our buttons should be hung and actually doing what they should. Yeah, this was a game that had a lot of issues, but up and working 100% now. Just we never hung this button. Yeah, it actually looks like it should. This is what looks like a ground, but I don't think it needs to be used, so we're going to try to tuck it out of the way here. And that should be free of everything. I think the grounds go for bill acceptors and stuff like that, so I think tucking them out of the way. And now that's shut, this closes, boom, open up, I got your coin door buttons, so should be good. You got power back here, Andy?
Yeah.
So Judge Dredd should come on.
Yeah, turn on.
Hey, look at this!
Look at that.
Hey, booted, no errors. That is pretty good.
Lawmaster computer online. Welcome aboard. Brain shield deactivated.
Drain shield works. I think that launches doesn't have.
Great. Got warning for smoking. 1 year for flatulence.
Think she's good?
Yeah.
So that one's going bye-bye now?
Yeah.
Sweet. Goodbye.
No. Check
I
your
won't
phone.
miss you.